One solution for project planning, billing and analysis. MARIProject saves you time throughout the entire project process. Does your company work on more than 10 projects simultaneously? If so, Excel spreadsheets are probably no longer sufficient for project management, because data entry is too time-consuming. With MARIProject for SAP Business One, you save a lot of time because all data is entered only once and can then be used for different purposes. Let's take a look at how it works in the new MARIProject web client. Our project is a rooftop solar system, structured in several phases. The agenda for the kick-off meeting has already been added to the folder. We send requests for quote to 3 vendors in order to calculate the quoted price. We select the most favorable prices from the feedback. They are displayed directly in the overhead calculation. We calculate the sales quotation, generate the sales quotation document, and send it to the customer by email. Once the customer has accepted the sales quotation, we purchase the items based on the price selection. The goods receipt is documented and automatically displayed here in the balance statistics. In addition, MARIProject offers the option of producing more complex components and storing them in the warehouse. We plan the project in the Gantt view with Mark Manager and some resource pools. The availability display shows that Mark Manager is assigned to another project on the first day of the kickoff meeting. Therefore, we postpone the meeting by 1 day. We then want to assign the tasks from the consultant resource pool to an employee in this pool. Carl Consultant has planned a vacation in this week. This is displayed here because MARIProject automatically imports the data from the vacation management. Sandra Standard is available, so we can assign the task to her. The planning is displayed directly in the MARIProject app. Sandra can simply copy it for her timesheet entries. There's no need to re-enter data. In the app, she also records her travel expenses for the customer meeting and bills the costs internally. Mark Manager approves the hours and Sandra's travel expenses so they can be reimbursed to her. A phase-related billing was agreed with the customer, from which a retention is automatically deducted. Mark Manager generates the invoice in Zugfeld format and sends it directly via MARIProject. By the way, MARIProject also supports the receipt and automated processing of e-invoices in the inbox book. Because all plannings and costs for your projects are stored in MARIProject, you can view analysis at any time, such as the balance list hours or a project budget report. In addition, you can define individual graphical dashboards, for example for project status, costs and revenues, and actual hours compared to invoiced project hours. Finally, we would like to add that MARIProject has a service tool that allows you to plan and document regular maintenance of the system. One of our customers has put it this way: we wanted a system that reflected all our processes. This is exactly what the combination of MARIProject and SAP Business One offers. If you would like to learn more about MARIProject, please contact us. We are looking forward to your feedback.